Next thing is what to research about. मैंने research तो बोल दिया, but आप बोलेंगे सर research बोल दिया, but research में क्या करना होता है, right? What should we do in research? What research should be done in a specific topic and domain, right? This is a question, right? So I'll just point out few pointers. Okay, first thing is check existing project with regards to the topic you chose. Okay, whichever topic you choose, check whether there is any existing project or not to copy it, but to see that to what extent the project have went and how you can improvise that project even much more. It's not always that you need to make something out of the box completely new, invent something, because you're not an inventor, you are students, right? Okay, yes, no doubt someone amongst you can be an inventor, but not everyone in your class can be an inventor, correct? So the thing is like, you need to check some existing projects with regards to the domain and the topic that you've choose, see to what extent they have moved, and see that what you can add more to that to make it much more beneficial. Did you understand this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Next thing is see where you can improve the existing project. Okay. I already said this. Moving ahead, talk to people who have already worked on that domain. Okay. Like, for example, if you have selected a topic which is with regards to IoT, web application, and and um, okay, and programming. Okay. Uh, like desktop application development. Okay. So you can come to me because I have worked on all of these points, okay, all of these domains. Okay, so I'm good at IoT, I'm very good at web applications, and I'm good at cloud computing as well, and desktop application development. Okay, so you can come to me to ask and seek suggestions in all of these domains. Okay, likewise, you will see that all of your teachers have expertise in different regions. Okay, like if you ask me anything about AI or Android or mobile application development, I will be completely clueless, speechless. I frankly speak, I don't know anything about that domain because I've never worked on it. Okay, I've not worked on AI. I've not worked on um, um, app development, but that's absolutely fine. It's okay, no problem. No one can be 100% good at everything. That's okay, but you should be at least good in one. Okay, so that is something that you need to see. Okay, so make sure that you talk with people who are expert in that domain. Okay, try to speak with your teachers or your siblings, boss. If you have some brother or sister at your home who's working in IT and in the same domain, you can talk to their boss also. Okay, and you can talk to your relatives, you can talk to your neighbors. Make sure that you speak with them and try to seek suggestions from them, because this is the best way to get information and knowledge. Okay, then later on comes Google and looking videos in YouTube and stuff like that. Okay, but professional experience is very important, and you can seek that from people who are expert in that domain. Okay, fine. Moving ahead, the next thing is viable or not. Can someone tell me what is viable?
Practicable.
Correct. Yes. So viable means, in simple words, we can say whether you can do it or not, right? So this is a reality check. You'll check yourself whether you are able to do this or not. After researching everything, after speaking with people, after searching for it on the internet and getting to know many things, you try to understand whether you will be able to do it or not. Okay. Now, when it comes to whether you are able to do it or not, there are three things that is to be taken care of. Okay. Can you put the amount? Are you financially stable enough to put that amount in your project or not? Okay, this is first question. Second thing is, even if I put the money into it, okay, am I technically sound or not to make that project complete? Because you have a deadline. Okay, you have deadline in semester 5 and a deadline in semester 6 also, right? So technically you should be sound enough. Okay, third thing is, if you put the money and you have the technical knowledge, will you have enough time to make that or not? If you have the answer to all of these three questions as yes, go for the topic. Got my point?
Yes, sir. Getting it.
Okay, fine. So these three things are the things that you need to ask yourself while after you're doing the research. Okay, research करने के बाद, because before research you don't know whether you will be able to do it or not, how these stuff work, and इसमें क्या क्या challenges आ सकते हैं, you won't know. So it's always after research then you ask yourself this question, that whether you will be able to do it or not. Okay. Next thing is, if you want and if you have this plan to bring up your TY project into real world, into the market, see if you have any investors or not. Okay. If you see, Yahoo was a third year project or final year project by a student. YouTube was a final year student project. And if you know, आज की तारीख में इसका net worth कितना है? Is it correct? So TY projects, no wonder, can go up to that point as well. If you see Linux OS, which was made by Linus, Sir Linus, that was also his hobby time project. It was not even a project meant to be submitted in school or college. Hobby time project. Hobby के हिसाब से उन्होंने बस बनाए थे. And today, all the servers around the world uses Linux because it is highly secure. So why don't you think this, why don't you think your project in this perspective, that क्यों ना मेरा project इस level पे आगे बढ़े, right? So if in case you have some, points or plan to bring up your projects into the market and you want to make it live so that others can use, see whether you have any investors or not. Okay, fine. The next thing is, try to understand the potential of the domain and the topic you choose. Okay, whether the domain that you have choose is that domain going to have enough job opportunities in the coming days or not? Will you have jobs after your TY or not? So these are the questions that you need to ask to yourself.